I'm doing a video for Mark.
Is that Mark Page?
No, that's my husband. Maybe probably off bike.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Cole, put me.
No, I could go on your shoulder.
Thank you. Cream egg, it's nearly Easter.
Oh, best one.
Who said it was only Easter? Oh, you're such a cream egg.
Cream egg?
Christmas. Nah, it's fine. We were in the air at the same time. What? We were rolling in the air at the same time.
Ho, ho, ho. What are you calling me?
Come on, go on.
Go, go! Nah.
Which one we're doing?
Left side.
Left.
Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Go, 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 go.
This one next, this one next.
What you got there? What is it?
Mark's GoPro.
What? Right, is it 13?
I don't know.
Who's Mark?
Mark Page?
Is that Mark Page?
No, that's my husband's aunt.
Okay. So who's Mark Page? No, because everyone spoke about him. I have no clue. Is that Mark Page?
This is Gaz.
That's Gaz. Is that Mark
That's
Page?
Mark.
Okay.
Oh wow. Don't like standing here.